There's a common problem that many boat owners face at least once. PartsVu has a great solution for it. I'm gonna explain it to you and show you how you can avoid it. Hit that subscribe button. Check this out. All right, so tell me if this has happened to you before. You get ready for a trip, fishing or water skiing or going to the lake or whatever. You pack all your gear and your coolers with your drinks, your ice, your lunch, all this stuff on the boat. You get all the way to the lake or the bay or wherever it is you're going. You got your boat launched in the water. All your friends are on board. You jump in the boat and then this happens. All right, everybody ready to go? What the? Oh, man. That's right. Your batteries are dead as a hammer and you're all the way to the water. So now I got to ask you, how much did that cost you? How much did it cost you in gas to drive all the way there and now you got to go all the way home again? How much did it cost you in ice, food, beer, bait, or just embarrassment? And all of this is avoidable with an onboard battery charger from PartsVu. So here's what we do every single time as soon as we get home from a trip. All right, while everybody's throwing everything out of the boat and getting ready to head home, somebody grabs the power cord and yeets this dude over the rail. And yes, yeet is a word. It's a redneck word, but it's a word. And here's the really cool and not too hard part. Somebody else takes the cord, plugs it in to the boat like that. Done. Now let me show you what that cord's doing. Down here in our little console head compartment, we have this door right here you can peek in. And right there is our onboard battery charger. Little echoey in here. This boat is equipped with 3 batteries, a house battery, the engine starting battery, and a spare. All 3 of them are hooked to this 3-bank battery charger wired to that plug right over there. So all we have to do is plug that thing in with a cord and we're done. It charges all 3 batteries and keep them topped off year round. As long as that cord's plugged in and plugged into the house, you'll never have another dead battery on your boat. PartsVu.com has battery chargers for any boat, onboard and portables. Get yourself an onboard charger like this one for your boat and you'll never have a dead battery again. If you don't know what charger you need for your boat, just give PartsVu a call. There's a link in the description below to their battery chargers. You can give them a call and tell them what kind of boat you got, how many batteries you have on board, and they'll help you choose the right charger for your situation. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day when it's just so easy to put an onboard charger on your boat and have those batteries maintained properly. Give me that thumbs up like button, hit that subscribe button down there and ring the bell icon so you don't miss videos like this when they come out. Check out PartsVu.com in the link below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.